Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mini apple pie cheesecakes. But first I want to give a big, huge shout out and thank you to the Baking Diva. She did a shout out Sunday last week and featured my channel on there, and I've gained so many new subscribers and friends, and I just really want to say thank you, Dolores. You really are a great person. And if you haven't checked out her channel yet, go on over to the Baking Diva. She has a lot of great videos on there, and she's an awesome lady. So let's show her some love. Thanks, Baking Diva. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. For the crust, you need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick. And then for the cheesecake, you need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then for the crisp topping, you need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 medium apples, or 2 medium or large apples, or 3 small apples. I used 3 small apples here, and you want those peeled, cored, and finely chopped. And then you also, if you want to add anything else, I'm going to use caramel topping for mine, and also some ice cream. Alright, let's preheat the oven to 350 and line. This will make about 16 to 18 of these, so go ahead and line your muffin tins. Okay, in a mixing bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, rolled oats, melted butter, and brown sugar. And I just mixed mine with a whisk. And then we are going to go ahead and divide that evenly into the bottom of our muffin cups. Okay, now you just press it down with your hand or a spoon. Really, hands work best. And we are going to cook those for 5 minutes at 350. Alright, my crusts have come out of the oven, so I'm just going to let them cool and get to work on the cheesecake layer. So you want to, in a big bowl, you want to go ahead and combine your softened cream cheese, brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, cornstarch, and vanilla. And you're just going to go ahead and mix that with an electric mixer until it's nice and combined. Okay, that is nice and blended, so I'm going to go ahead and evenly pour that onto each of my crusts. Okay, those are nice and evenly layered on there. So now it's time to add just a little bit of your apple layer on top of each one. Alright, that looks great. So now we are going to just add all of our streusel topping and mix that together, and we're going to pour it evenly on top. Okay, these are ready to go into the oven, and they already smell amazing. 25 to 30 minutes. Those just came out of the oven, and they smell amazing. So now we're going to let them cool 15 minutes, and then put them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Alright, those have cooled for 15 minutes, so now I am going to stick those in the freezer for, like I said, about 3 hours. It really suggests overnight, but we're not going to be able to wait that long. Alright, taste tester, have a little taste. We've been swimming all day. Don't forget to check out the Baking Diva. She's awesome. Are you going to taste the top?
Yum. Yummy.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
And more. Bye. And yummy.
Bye.